Hey everyone, I want to share a quick new feature that makes optimizing your campaigns effortless. It's called Optimize for Me, and it takes your ad management to the next level, automatically both in your Meta and Google search campaigns. So, what does Optimize for Me do? It analyzes your ad assets daily, your primary text, headlines, and visuals. It removes low performing elements and replaces them with better performing versions. It continuously tests and optimizes so your campaigns stay fresh and effective. That means you don't have to manually tweak your ads all the time. The AI takes care of it for you. To set it up, first head over to the Advertise tab. Now scroll down to the campaign you want to optimize and tap View Results or directly in the stars icon. Here's where you'll find the toggle to let the campaign be optimized for you. It will by default be set off and look gray, so if you want it on, make sure that it's blue. That means that the AI will be managing your campaign and optimizing it automatically for you.